their strategies and who threw the hardest punches.
Plus, Storm Watch 7 is keeping a close eye on Hurricane Matthew with the latest overnight track and the potential impact on our area.
Good morning, Washington. What's new? What's now? What's happening next? With breaking news plus traffic and weather every 10 minutes to help you prepare your day. Tomorrow starting at 4:25 on Good Morning Washington, where good mornings start.
Step up your style game at our K&G Fall Fashion Event. All lady suits are on sale, 2 for $40, 2 for $80, and 2 for $100. Plus, dresses are 2 for $40. Come to shop, prepare to save at K&G.
K&G.
First at 11 tonight, Hurricane Matthew has left a deadly and destructive aftermath in Caribbean nations. It is now responsible for at least 7 deaths. Tonight, this Category 4 storm is still churning. It's threatening the U.S. with strong winds and dangerous rain. Several East Coast states are already bracing for this, and we have team coverage for you tonight, both of Matthew's impact in other countries and what it means for our weather. So let's start with meteorologist Steve Rudin live with new information just in about the path of this storm. So, Steve, what's going on?
And it just came in just minutes ago, and here is the latest on Hurricane Matthew. With maximum winds at 130 miles per hour, it makes it a weak Category 4 hurricane, but still a very dangerous and powerful storm with wind gusts at around 160 miles per hour. It's slowly moving toward the north at 8 miles per hour. Want to show you the latest track that we have for you as we move through the overnight hours and into the day tomorrow. It will track across the Bahamas, and then eventually it could hug the coast of Florida, anywhere from Miami to Fort Lauderdale to Titusville. Brand new hurricane warnings have just been posted for parts of Florida. The big question mark, where will the storm go once we move into the upcoming weekend? And latest models indicate that it may push a little bit further off toward the east. And that means away from the D.C. area. More on that coming up in just a few minutes. Allison?
Okay, Steve, we'll see you in just a few. Meanwhile, 4 states have declared emergency now in advance of Hurricane Matthew. This as we get a look really at how it wreaked havoc to our south. It hit Cuba tonight with winds of up to 140 miles an hour. Take a look at this devastation. Thousands of people are seeking shelter in Haiti tonight, where 40 inches of rain could fall before it's all over. Jay Korf joins us live with the latest on this storm and just such a difficult situation there, Jay.
Yeah, indeed, really tough for those folks in Haiti after all they've been through. Now, a state of emergency has been declared in Florida, South and North Carolina, and Georgia after Hurricane Matthew ripped through Haiti, unleashing damage and claiming lives. Hurricane Matthew, packing winds around 145 miles per hour, pounded western Haiti Tuesday. These powerful images from Les Cayes on the coast of Haiti show rivers of water and flash flooding that resulted in destroyed homes and lost lives in a nation still reeling from the 2010 earthquake. This fierce storm has reportedly knocked down a communications tower and at least one large bridge. Mudslides are now feared as well. People in the Bahamas are also bracing for Matthew's unwelcome entrance.
Make sure we got water, we got non-perishable foods, we've got a generator, so we make sure that's all fueled up, make sure your vehicle is fueled up, and you leave the rest to the good master.
Meanwhile, more than 1 million people have been called on to evacuate coastal South Carolina ahead of Hurricane Matthew's potential impact.
If you don't get out in time, you might actually get stuck.
And Florida residents are preparing as we speak for a hurricane that could hit the Sunshine State Thursday night. Governor Rick Scott says officials are making plans for sheltering and evacuation needs just in case.
If Hurricane Matthew hits this state, we're going to see massive destruction.
And we've also learned tonight that 3 U.S. Navy ships are heading to Haiti to assist. Reporting live in the Satellite Center, Jay Korf, ABC 7 News.
All right, Jay, and coming up at 11:22, we're going to have a live report from the Bahamas, where they are bracing, of course, for the impact of Hurricane Matthew. People there are rushing to stores and gas stations to try to prepare. What they are being told in a live report that's just ahead. Now, several U.S. airlines have waived flight change fees because of Hurricane Matthew. American, Delta, United, and JetBlue, they're all waiving those change fees to certain destinations that are threatened by the bad weather. Now, generally, that means customers can change their itineraries without a charge. Airlines will likely issue waivers for more U.S. airports as Matthew continues to track closer. And stay connected with the ABC 7 Stormwatch team as Hurricane Matthew moves along. We're going to keep you updated on Facebook, Twitter, and at WJLA.com. And make sure you download our Stormwatch app. Well, moving on to some other news tonight, and this is breaking news out of Montgomery County. A victim is in critical condition after being struck by a car in Rockville. This is the scene. It's along Middle Lane and Park Road. The circumstances are still under investigation, but stay with ABC 7 and WJLA.com. We will have updates there. And we have some more breaking news for you tonight, and this is out of Hagerstown. You'll remember this video, and an attorney now for a 15-year-old girl who was pepper sprayed by police now says that prosecutors will not file charges against her. Police